We start May with a lovely crochet project from Gaynor White, who is showing us how to create this very versatile and useful string shopping bag. And Anita Birtles is back in the studio, showing us how to create bias binding, which is essential if you are dealing with curves or unusual shapes on your projects. And she also shows us how easy it is to cut and then sew into place. Valerie Nesbitt is using her sewing machine this month, using the blanket stitch to finish the applique on your projects. And Jane Chire returns, bringing us more excellent crochet work, this time using an arcade colour wheel to produce this beautiful blanket. And finally, our Tip Thursday for May features quilter Claire Campion, explaining how she uses the backing fabrics of her quilts to inspire her colour choices for the fronts. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.